Hi guys, I'm super excited because this is my first time back and I'm vlogging, and the big thing I'm going to do today is print off stickers. So I designed them, and I've been watching a bunch of YouTubers trying to figure out what products need to buy, what type of sticker paper, all this fun stuff. So I am printing off my own stickers today. I'm super excited, but I forgot to do an intro to this vlog. So right now I'm outside with my family and we're probably like midway through our day. So I'll cut back to this spot later. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. I'm super excited, and yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our ice cream, and I'll see you soon. Oh, but first we have a few tasks to do today. We're going to the farmer's market. We got to pick up a few things. This camera actually just stopped working at the beginning of the vlog because I need a new chip, so I'm doing that. And then the stickers. Oh, and I'm gonna plan with them, so that's gonna be fun. We'll see. We're at the farmer's market. It's a drive-through, which is a new thing because of the current pandemic. So we're crossing our fingers because we're hoping we're gonna find this steak from this farmer. It's the only kind of meat that Jared will eat. So hopefully she has it, but she runs out, so we'll see.
Thank you.
Let me know when Jeff will.
Oh, I can.
Thank you.
Jared, guess what this is?
You see? Pickles. Delicious pickles.
I like Kalamata, I forget.
No, it's the green.
It's just the green?
He likes the green ones. Which one, Alice, do you want, baby? He wants the green with the red ones inside of it.
The green with the red inside.
Yes.
Okay, we got an $8 or double is 14.
The $8 one.
Yeah, these are for home.
We also get the sweet pickles.
Yeah. We're gonna take a little sour crumb. Put it right on the chip, the pickle chip.
Yeah.
Really good combo.
Really?
Wait till you try it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm
We got
excited.
14 and 8. We got 22.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
No, I think if I can.
For her insurance, maybe?
Spill.
As soon as we were pulling up to the vegetable people, we saw the lady, the farmer, just driving away in her truck. And so we think she definitely sold out. And the farmer's market wasn't even done yet, and it was just gone. She was just gone. So it was like they had, I want to say, 2 more hours left of like market time. And nope, she said bye. So we're gonna pre-order next week and pre-order today and try again for next week. So we'll make sure to get our steak, and we also get eggs from her. We've gotten syrup, but it wasn't any difference. But the eggs and her steak, oh, we've gotten bacon too. I don't eat bacon, but Jared, he only will eat it from this farmer, which is like far and few in between. So crossing our fingers to have some this year. All right, off to Best Buy, because right now I'm vlogging on Jared's phone, because the one time I'm ready, I'm getting all ready. I've been planning it all week, like I'm gonna do it, and then the camera just said that the memory card is full. So store pickup, and then a treat. Alright, so Jared went to go get our ice cream, and it's funny because we've been waiting out here for like 20 minutes for them to open up, and so have like a load of other people. Like, soon as they opened, they had a line. So people not playing. Like, quarantine, like, they want the ice cream still. Like, give me my ice cream. So, right, it's me and this baby. Me and the baby sitting in the front seat. Hi. Baby sheepy, baby sheepy, baby sheepy. Eating his ice cream.
Excuse me.
Burp. Coffee. Obviously the best type of ice cream ever in history, so. Okay guys, it is the next day and I am working, but I need to plan my week. I need to plan my day really quick. So I was like, I have to print out these stickers. So here's what we're looking at. So these are the stickers. And so what I did is like I just print off a little partial sheet and I'm trying to see if like the colors on my screen like look the same as the colors here. I think it's okay because I was thinking about adding some saturation, but I think it's okay. Like I don't want them to be too dark where like I can't write on them. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go put my sticker paper in the machine.
Mama, what are you doing? We're going to paint the
Again,
dress.
it's a red stick.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Alright, so here we are in better light, and yeah, I think it looks good. I think like the stickers actually, I don't know, they look decent. Look at that. Now I just have to cut them out, but I'll just do that. I can do that right now. Just gonna plan on a post-it for a little bit, and yeah. Oh my god, so you're not gonna believe this. I literally had a feeling that this was happening, and it was. I printed the damn stickers on the wrong side. So this is the back of the sticker paper, so this is not even the sticky part. Like, I don't know, look at this. Yeah, and yes, I'm sitting on the floor. I love sitting on the floor. I'm in my newborn's room, and yeah, so not sticky, but it looks the same. I don't know. I guess this is, oh, actually it doesn't. This is way wider. This side is way wider. Well, put this back in, try again. All right, so we're down here. So first I went and clipped my nails because I was like, whose like quarantine hands are these? Like, it's a whole mess. Like, I am gonna be the first one in the nail salon because this is ghetto. Okay, so we're all printed, but I did notice, like, I think this looks, I don't know, I keep looking at it. It looks a little grainy. I don't know, like when you get really close to like this dark brown one, like the darker colors are so grainy, and they didn't look like that on the other side as much, but now I'm noticing it. Yeah, so if anyone knows how to fix that, I mean, my printer is not like a super amazing printer, so maybe that's it, but I don't know, it looks a little, is that normal? I don't think that's normal. I don't know. I'll look at some of my like Happy Planner stickers or something. I keep looking at myself, like sometimes I'll redo the clips and I'll be like, oh my god, like why do you look like that? Like this quarantine, like all kind of stuff. I don't know, I look a mess. But so I put this headband on, so maybe I look better. The darker colors on the Happy Planner stickers, I think it's Happy Planner. Okay, Create 365. So the darker colors are like, you can see that they're like a little grainy. The lighter colors are fine, and these are just kind of the same kind of texture. So I'm gonna go with, I don't know, maybe that's just how they print off, I guess. Like the more deeper the color, more grainy. So, but it's not, I mean, it's not that bad. It's just this color right here, I notice the graininess a lot, but I think we're Gucci. Oh my god, I never say that. Why did I just say that?
It's not a game, it's a red stick.
backstage stands gear. It's a video camera adapter. And so what I'm going to do, because I bought a mic stand, and I guess I'll link all the stuff below in case anyone wants to do this, but instead of buying a tripod, I bought a mic stand, and the mic stand has a boom arm. So that means that the mic stand can turn this way. So you screw this part to the boom arm, where the mic, I guess where that's where the mic would typically go, and then you screw this part to your camera, and this little adapter, then the mic stand can go like, it'll go like this. It'll go somewhere like this, and I'll be able to film overhead shots because I want to do a plan with me video with these new stickers. So hopefully this works out. I'm going to try this later on. I'm going to have, just probably do it during my lunchtime. But yeah, wish me luck. This plan with me is going to be so much fun. This is so cute. Look at that. I actually did this. It's like a little set. Like, can you imagine it? Look, what if okay, maybe not like this, but it looks legit and I can just like peel it. I can't wait to get a Cricut. I'm manifesting a Cricut. All right, so I know I'm going to use some of these. I'm going to use this one. I'm using these, and I think and then just this stuff, these big ones. The other ones, I don't know. I don't know when. I guess I have them because they make stickers now. So cute. Oh my gosh, can you just imagine? Alright guys, that's it. It was so much fun figuring out these stickers. How to print them was interesting, but now I'm going to have to peel them off the back and it's not looking like it's going to be easy, so I might really have to invest in the Cricut. But as of now, I'm going to use these stickers. I'm going to film a plan with me. I'm going to post it. I'm going to do this. But until then, bye!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.